You score, you wheel away screaming, the whole stadium erupts, and then a screen somewhere lights up and takes it all away. Offside, by the length of a fingernail, ruled by a machine. Football just changed forever, and most fans have no idea how. There is now a microchip inside the ball. It sees everything. It made offside calls perfect, and it may have killed the best moment in sport. So let me show you exactly how the new technology works. What changed, why it is better, and what we quietly lost along the way. Most people think offside is about where you're standing. It's not. It's about a single frozen moment in time. The exact moment the ball is passed. Nothing before, nothing after. Freeze the game right there. Now draw a line. The line runs through the second to last defender, usually the last man before the keeper. If an attacker is beyond that line when the ball is played, offside. If they're level or behind it, perfectly fine. That's it. That's the entire rule. One line, one frozen moment. So why does it feel so confusing every single time? Because bodies aren't flat. An arm can be behind the line while a foot is ahead of it. Quick thing, if offside has confused you your entire life, you are about to fix that forever. So subscribe, it's the least you can do for your brain. Now back to the line. So which body part actually matters? Not all of them. Any part you could legally score with counts. Feet, knees, chest, head, hands and arms do not count. You can't score with them anyway. So a striker can have his arm miles offside and it means nothing. But if his kneecap is a centimeter ahead of that line, offside. A centimeter. On a body part, most people never even think to check. That is exactly the kind of call no human eye can make in real time. For decades, that was fine. Referees guessed, football moved on. Then football decided a guess wasn't good enough anymore, so they put a brain inside the ball. Inside the match ball is a tiny motion sensor. It tracks the ball's exact position 500 times a second. The instant it's kicked, the sensor spikes. That is the frozen moment. At the same time, cameras track every player's exact skeleton. 29 data points on every single body. Knees, elbows, shoulders. The system combines both. The exact ball moment, the exact body position. Then it draws the line, automatically, in seconds. No guessing, no angle problems, no linesman sprinting to keep up. Just a machine, measuring reality down to the millimeter. This is exactly the tech that ended Croatia's World Cup a few days ago. A chip caught a touch of a Croatian head that nobody on earth could see. I broke that whole disaster down in another video. Watch it if you enjoy suffering. So, the system is more accurate than any referee in history. So why do so many people still hate it? Because a human referee's mistake feels human. A machine's call feels absolute. There is no arguing with a centimeter. There is no benefit of the doubt. But here is what we really lost. The pure explosion of a goal. You used to score and lose your mind instantly. No hesitation. Now every celebration comes with a pause. A glance at the screen. A held breath. We traded pure joy for perfect accuracy. And you can never fully celebrate again. That is not a flaw in the system. That is exactly what it was built to do. The technology is perfect. The feeling is what broke. But at least now you understand exactly what really happens. So next time the flag goes up and the stadium groans, you'll be the one person who already knows exactly why. One line, one frozen moment, a chip that never blinks. That's offside. That's all it ever was. Now tell me down below, what is the most ridiculous offside call you have ever seen? And be honest, did you actually understand offside before this video? Now you know what really happens behind that flag. The game has not changed. You have. You are welcome.